What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on CTK, which is also known as Shentu, which has pumped up over 85%, not in the last 24 hours but over the last 5-6 hours. As you guys can see, earlier this morning it has gone for a major pump, so we're going to be going through why has it pumped so much and focusing on what is next for CTK. Is it a crypto worth investing into right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? So we will be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024, looking at how high and how low this crypto can essentially go, and also looking at, is it overvalued right now? Is it likely to go for a price correction? Because that is clearly how it looks like at the moment. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we have literally gone from just about the resistance level here all the way up to the top tier level here, hitting a highest of $1.69 earlier this morning. Since then it has taken a slight dip in value, however it is still trading in the top tier level. So what could potentially happen next is for it to slowly start dropping back down into the green zone, but we will be going through that later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of CTK, which is here in purple at 74 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at $1.27, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, due to the huge difference between the two values here, it could also mean that the crypto may be slightly overvalued. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking quite skeptical again due to the sudden pump in value and then drops. The graph itself is not going to look as accurate, but as you guys can see, the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, it is looking way too steep, and the blue line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning we have two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from CTK over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, the crypto should essentially be hovering around its current price range. However, I am expecting it to take a dip down further down to around $1.10 in value is where I'm expecting it to drop down to, potentially even hitting the dollar mark towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. But the main focus is, yes, I'm expecting it to hit more red candles due to the major pump, so it is likely to go for a price correction over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking way too steep. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, but again it is looking way too steep to be realistic. Reason is looking so steep is quite obvious, is because of the major pump that took place earlier this morning around 8 AM UK time. So an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from CTK over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, the crypto should have dropped back down below the dollar mark is where I'm expecting it to be trading at, potentially heading down to around 80 cents by mid-June, or even over the coming week is where I would expect CTK to be trading at. Again, exact same reason as I previously mentioned, it is overvalued right now. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, once again the exact same as the previous two charts. The blue and the orange line are looking way too steep to be realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late July 2024, I'm expecting CTK to have taken a dip back down over the coming week or two, down to about 75-80 cents, and then slowly starting to gain value up to the dollar mark is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid to late July. And again, guys, doesn't mean it's going to crack. Yes, it is likely to drop down for now, going for a price correction, and then mid June, late June and July, it is likely to go for a slow and steady increase in value up to around the dollar mark is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. However, if you guys do want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. But this is my take on this crypto at the moment. And yes, Bitcoin has taken a slight dip in value, is back down to $67,000 after heading up to around $72,000 about a week ago. It has taken a slight dip. However, I'm expecting it to slowly start to recover over the coming weeks as well. So bringing back the Fibonacci scale, we are currently trading in the top tier level, and as I mentioned, it is likely to head down to 80 cents over the coming week. That means dropping back down into the green zone, potentially even the resistance level here of 70 cents before it slowly starts to gain value. Heading into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by an insane amount, 12,800% in the last 24 hours, making it over $183 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious: the crypto has pumped up like crazy earlier this morning, so we have been seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, in which return it has helped the value of CTK pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So far the crypto has been performing very well, but you guys have to think that because it's done so much percentage increase in a very short amount of time, it is more than likely that it is overvalued. Over the last week, 78%, and over the month just about 90%, but we can see majority of the pump did come from the last couple of hours. So can Ctk Shentu hit $5 in 2024? I've seen a lot of comments online saying such thing. However, I am not expecting the crypto to be hitting anywhere near $5. Reason being is it's already done a huge pump in value and it is already overvalued. So for it to hit $5, it will require a much more bigger percentage increase, which I'm not expecting at the moment. But let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting CTK to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.